Hello everybody, this is Tony with Blacktop for Jet Performance Products, and today we're installing a Jet Performance Powr-Flow throttle body spacer and throttle body on our Blacktop Bruiser. It's a 2005 5.7 liter Hemi Ram truck. If you just received a hand-me-down, you might want to upgrade the performance and economy with Jet Powr-Flow products. First thing we did was thought we should do a little test drive to get some initial numbers. So the idea was to get on the on-ramp to the freeway at a dead stop and get to 0 to 60 and see how fast it went before we did any work on the truck. This also gave my nephew Marcus a chance to drive the truck. So he jumped in the driver's seat and we went 0 to 50 at 7.75 seconds. Somebody jumped in front of us, so we had to kind of back off. Well, the first thing we did was we thought, let's clean the air filters. So we have an AEM cold air system on the truck with a K&N filter. So we took the filter out, brushed it, rinsed it, cleaned it, and re-oiled it, recharged it. While that was happening, Billy disconnected the battery because we knew we were going to be dealing with some electronics here. We don't want to shorten anything out. And then we removed the tube from the throttle body. Marcus jumped under the hood and he got busy taking out the old throttle body. Yeah, the gang's all here. Marcus's dad, Tim, me, Billy, Marcus, of course, and even Hilda was there watching us work. Hey, we have a stock throttle body for sale if anybody wants it. 83,000 miles on that thing. All right, so first we got busy putting the throttle body spacer in. The Jet Powr-Flow TBI spacer is designed to increase velocity of the airflow to the intake manifold, thus creating a denser air charge in the combustion chamber. This is helpful with improved mid-range and top-end performance. The increased airflow also contributes to better fuel economy. Then we installed the new throttle body. The unique design of the modified air inlet of the Jet Performance Powr-Flow throttle body improves airflow and throttle response. The pre-installed calibrated electronics provide optimum performance and economy throughout the power range. Made in the USA, the Jet Performance Powr-Flow throttle body is a direct replacement with only a few bolts to remove and replace. Marcus reminded us we had to reset the throttle position sensor. So simple instructions with the kit. You turn the key to on position, don't start it up, and slowly press the pedal down to all the way to the floor, the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 3 times. Then we turn it on and then it should have a good idle and no engine light is on. And that's what happened with us. So now it's time to take it for another test run. So Marcus took it to our favorite test track and we shaved almost a second off our 0 to 50 time. I think it's a good investment. So it only took us to do all this about a couple hours. We had lunch and all that too. So we highly recommend the Jet Performance Powr-Flow TBI spacer and the Jet Performance Powr-Flow throttle body to upgrade your vehicle.